What up, me guys and me geldom? It's Tai Chi back with another cooking video. Now, if you're new and you like what's going on, gaming to cooking, streaming, sub to the channel. Put a like down. Let me know what you like, what you want to see, what you would want to play, what you would want me to cook or put out. But it's all about fun times here. Hope you guys enjoy. This is from my new phone now, so it's a better picture. The light is kind of still horrible because the light behind me, like so when it's on me. But other than that, I have figured out a better way for you to view the food for my next video. Not this one, but for the next one. But other than that, hope you guys enjoy. Like the video, as I said, put a comment down of what you like about the video, what you like about the channel, if anything. This video is curry rice and chicken with my homemade sauce. Thank you and have a great night, my guys. Mwah! Love you all. Peace! What up, me guys and Miguel? I'm not sure if you can see me quite well, but what up? It's Taichi here, back with another cooking video. Already started, have the butter melting curry chicken here. We have it going on, and the rest of the chicken is right here. I just have enough to marinate and go through and be done, so we are going to set you up. You can see me over there while I cut the stuff. So right now, I'm just going to be cutting up the onions. I got red onions here. I'm just going to use that. It's nothing much really, because you know, I ain't got really much space for much rest in our fridge, so I don't really like vegetables. So I like onions, so I use onions quite often. I'll use like mushrooms here and there because I've gotten into the case of liking mushrooms. But it's mainly onions and meat and then rice. So I have to get these on real quick before that pot gets all hot and nasty and all smoky. So get this done. But it's just a quick meal to get done before anything and before I do the cooking. My mother and I cooking together because everybody wants to see that. People want to see that stuff, so gonna get that stuff out as well. So while we wait, we will put these in, fry them up, and I will show you guys in a minute. Just gotta get this started. Just mix up the rice so the curry can sit in proper and actually stain in the rice. Now that that is good, we are going to choose a piece of meat. So let's pick you guys up here and show you. So we're gonna choose a piece of meat now. You see, so we have some nice pieces of meat. See, marinated with some nice sauce or dry herbs and dry powders, I should say. All dry sauce, all dry seasoning. I keep saying sauce. But yeah, so we got some meat. So which one are we going to choose here? We're going to choose the one that fell apart. See, that one just fell apart, so we can choose that. These ones are for later. I'm going to freeze them so I can have dinner for later. So now we will continue as I show you guys. As I continue, but let me just wash my hands. I just touch meat, and need to keep your hands clean and safe from the salmonella. Nobody likes any salmonella. So how I'm gonna do this is just gonna be simple. Cut up chicken, sliced up chicken, nothing to anything because we just want to cook it real quick. So slice up the chicken real quick, real good. Yummy slices, be good. You want to watch your fingers if you're not really skilled at knives, and don't cut yourself. But other than that, cut everything up, get it all done, get it in the pot with the onions, and then we have our sauce there. I will give you a closer look after I'm done cutting the chicken, but it is my kind of like said homemade sauce with sweet teriyaki, spices, General Tao. There's a bunch of stuff mixed together just to have flavor, a kicking flavor of other cuisines in one. That's just kind of like how I do. I like everything to be mixed in one and then see how that tastes and go from there. But here it is, all the chicken all cut up. And need to wash my hands again. So now, as see, there's the chicken all cut up, but here is the onions. So the onions getting all done, getting all caramelized, you know, looking good, looking good. And as the rice is over there bubbling, you see that. But yes, everything is getting good and done. We will add the chicken to the pan, to the wok, my wok without a cover. So we will add it all on there, or without handle, I should say, nor cover. I don't have either. Sorry, guys. I need to pay attention more, but let's see here. So now these are going to be cooking. The sauce that I use, it's mainly, so this is the teriyaki sweet chili, or Jesus, sweet chili sauce. But you see it's not like sweet chili sauce color. Yeah, because that's like it's teriyaki sauce with General Tao, sweet chili. What else? I have some soy sauce in there and everything else. But that's like the mix. That's my mix for my kind of sauce. So now we have the chicken, has to cook through properly. We'll get the sauce on. We'll go from there and then get it together. And I'll show you guys it plated. But while we wait for that, it's just a cooking moment. So really and truly, there's the rice, it's bubbling, cooking. There's the chicken and the onions in there. They's cooking. But in the time being, I will be back with the finished product. I will come back before I plate and I'll show you it, the sauce in there with the chicken. But for now, be back, my guys. And we are back. So here it is, the sauce, you know, homemade sauce, onions and chicken. And here's the curry rice. I kept saying chicken before. My mind is all on chicken. So we will plate it, and we graciously have our taster here, Dave, my buddy there. So let's plate it and get started. But I gotta make sure you guys can see while I plate, and then we'll go about showing the tasting. But firstly, plate. Don't want too much because we save some. And then Dave, he doesn't eat too much, so he doesn't eat too much, but he's gonna be the taster.
Yeah, definitely. That's perfect.
Yes, my guy, no worries. I know, like fuck. But that's things. I fucking got it all together. The red onions, the chicken, and stuff there. So you know, get it all in. Sauce. And there it is. Finished product. Chicken, curry rice with sauce. There's Dave's. Now Dave's gonna take taste and tell us how it is. First time of taster for my cooking.
It's fire.
That's good, that's good. Beautiful, beautiful, good to hear. So there it is. You know, my email's on there. I also have a PayPal now, so you get at me. What's up, guys? Thank you very much. Have a great night. Peace.